Scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 46. Today we are going through the Sooktha22 of Mandal-1 of RIG VEDA. Here there are a number of gods, Devata. Now let us go through some of the one by one. First, we are going through the Devata, ASWANI KUMAR and AMIE. ASWANI KUMAR means force. AMIE is the energy. By using energy, we are applying force. So energy, to do any work, we should use energy. So energy is one god. That is represented by AMIE in the Vedas. Now the second Devata is ASWANI KUMAR. That means by using energy, we can apply force. We can break a stone. So this force is acting in two ways. Suppose there is a body. If it is applying the force horizontally, it will move horizontally, no upward motion. If it is applying in the upward direction, it is moving in the upward direction, no horizontal motion. Straight go upward, no horizontal motion. If we apply force in this direction, it will both move horizontally and vertically, because if it is moved in this way, it now reaches. The next question is here. From this horizontally, it moves with this. Suppose this force is applied in this way and reach the body here. Horizontally, it moves so much distance. From this, so much distance. Vertically, it moves so much distance. So a force has a tendency to move the body in two directions, and that two forces are represented by horizontal component and vertical component. So a force has a tendency to move it either in the horizontal direction or in the upward direction, vertical direction, or in both the directions. If it is in angle wise, it will move horizontally some direct distance and vertically some distance. So a force can be represented by two forces. One is horizontal component, which has a tendency to move the body horizontally, and the other one is vertical direction, that is, it has a tendency to move the body upwards. So that is ASWANI KUMAR. So a force has two components. ASWANI means 12. So a force can be represented by 2. So we are going through the property of such AMIE and ASWANI KUMAR through the first few mantras in the Sooktha22. So let us go through the first one.
RIGVEDAM മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22-1. ഋഷി മേധാതിഥി കണ്വൻ, ദേവത അശ്വിനി തുടങ്ങിയ ദേവന്മാർ, ഛന്ദസ് ഗായത്രി. പ്രാതർയുജാ വിബോധയു അശ്വിനാവേഹ ഗച്ഛതാം അസ്യ സോമസ്യ പീതയേ.
So it tells AMIE to come along with ASWANI KUMAR to do some work. From the start of the day itself, come along with ASWANI KUMAR, because AMIE is the energy is giving the force. Energy gives us, we are using our energy to pull or push. That is a force. So energy is coming with a force. That is ASWANI KUMAR. So to do any work, actually we are while talking, our lips are moving up and down. So there is upward motion sometimes small horizontal motion also will be there. So in every work there may be two types of motion, horizontal and vertical. So whenever we does any work, tells Agni to come along with Ashwani Kumar and Mech. Now let us go to the second mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22 യാ സുരഥ രഥീതമോഭാ ദേവാദിവിസ്പൃശ അശ്വിനാതാഹവാമഹേ.
It tells these two are coming along with in their chariots. Chariot means they are coming in any way. Chariot means they are by using we are using chariot to travel. Likewise, they will come from any direction in their chariot. It may be not our vehicle like that. That means they are coming in their chariot, and they are capable to travel throughout the space. This energy can travel throughout the space. The light energy is coming from the sun here. If we send a rocket, it is going in the sky. So this energy can travel throughout the space. Now let us go through the third mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22 യാവാം കശാമധുമത്യ അശ്വിന സുനിർദാവതി തയാ യജ്ഞം മിമിക്ഷിതം.
It tells this Ashwani Kumar to come to our Yajna place, workstation, and accept this Soma. We are giving Soma inputs. Suppose we want to join two sticks, we are pressing this. If we press this very hard, and if we apply energy, it will melt and join together. So we are applying force in different directions. So it invites Ashwani Kumar to come here. How? With they will do the truthful things. Truthful thing means if we apply two rods to combine, it will not join. But if we apply some heat energy here and we melt it, then we apply it, it will join together. If we press to soap pieces or such things, they will join together. No melting is required. So to join to metal pieces, we should heat the joint. Likewise. So under suitable condition, they will work. That is truth. Truthfulness means they will do only things which are 100% as per science. That only they will do. And we like you, Ashwani Kumar and Mech, because for doing any work we are using this principle of Ashwani Kumar and Mech. Now let us go through fourth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22 നഹി വാമസ്തി ദൂരകേ യത്ര രഥേന ഗച്ഛതഃ അശ്വിനാ സോമിനോ ഗൃഹം.
It tells to Ashwani Kumar and Mech that our house is, in this house we are doing some work. But we are inviting that Ashwani Kumar and Mech, that forces to come here. Our place is not far away from you. That means this force is available everywhere here, everywhere, very near to us. If we want to press two things to join together, That energy is along with us. This Ashwani Kumar is not somewhere in the upper atmosphere. It is along with us. It is very nearby. If we are joining two places by rubbing together, mixing, if we want to mix two things, two pastes to mix, just mix it. This Ashwani Kumar and Mark here on our fingertips. It is not necessary to come far away from the universe. It is near us. This Ashwani Kumar is along with us. It is on the finger, at the tip of our fingers. Suppose we want to make a ball by using powder and water. Just mix it here. It will become ball-like structure. Powder and water. Just mix it. We are applying the force in different direction. By twisting in this way, we are giving different types of forces in different directions. Due to which this powder and water will mix together, and then it will become a ball-like structure. So it tells this Ashwani Kumar, our workplace is our house is not far away from you. It is very nearby. Everywhere it is Ashwani Kumar is there. Now let us go to the fifth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22-5 ഹിരണ്യപാണിമൂദയേ സവിതാരമുപഹ്വയേ സചേത ദേവതാപദം.
Here the Devata is sun. It tells sun to give us this idea, or it should act as, force us to do something. It creates us some initiative to do some work. That means sun is influencing our mind and it is initiating us to do some work. So there is an influence by the sun and that is acting on us. Due to the influence of that sun, we are doing certain things because every planet is linked with the planetary system and our motions are based on the movement of the sun itself. In the morning we are getting up from bed. Why? The sun came there. And we goes to the office or anywhere like that in one direction. In the evening, sun is on the other side. Then we are coming backwards. Likewise, our activities are related with the sun. So, sun is encouraging us to do some work. Sun is another Devata. Now, let us go through the sixth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22-6 അപാംനപാദമവസേ സവിതാരം ഉപസ്തുഹി തസ്യ വൃതാന്യ ഉഷ്മസി. ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22-7 വിഭക്താരം ഹവാമഹേ വസോ ചിത്രസ്യ രാധസഃ സവിതാരം നൃചക്ഷസം. ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 22-8 സഹായ ആനിഷീദത സവിതാ സ്തോമ്യോനുനഃ ധാതാ രാധാംസി ശുംഭതി.